Unlock the secret to budget-friendly keto and carnivore diets. Did you know keto and carnivore diets can cost less than your typical grocery bill? Surprised? Many think these lifestyles are pricey, but smart planning makes healthy eating totally affordable. Ready to learn how? You might just rethink how you fuel your body on a budget. Both diets prioritize low-carb, nutrient-rich foods, but combining them creates a powerhouse of health benefits. Think fat-burning keto meets protein-packed carnivore. Whether you're looking to lose weight, boost energy, or simplify meal prep, this hybrid approach might be your new go-to plan. Here's the secret. Focus on staples like eggs, ground beef, and seasonal veggies. They're cost-effective and totally diet-friendly. Shop smart, buy in bulk, and plan your meals to maximize savings. No need for expensive food fads when simplicity does the job. Ready to optimize your health and your wallet? Give the Keto Carnivore duo a try and see the difference it makes in your life. Don't stop here. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more actionable health tips. Start transforming your diet today. You've got this.